Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Makeup Time with Julia. In today's video we have a new palette from Ucanbe we are going to try. We found this eyeshadow palette. It's quite cheap. So this palette was actually manufactured is 10th of May 2019. So it's gonna expire on the 9th of May 2022. It's cruelty free, they claim. So it's actually called Magic Spell Eyeshadow Palette. This is the palette, and when you open the palette you have a mirror here. You have a mirror. Remove this one and protect the mirror to make it crystal clear. Right, these are all the shades. Guys, what do you think? I think it's beautiful. Then you have all evil names on this palette. Invisible, Dimension, Black Magic. So you have 21 shades. This is what you have here, 21 shades. You have Intercation. What does that even mean? Charm, Invisible, Cloud Kill, Wizardry, Dimension. You know what, guys? Sack all the name.
What kind of shit is that?
I'm just gonna quickly do some swatches for you. This palette, apart from the green, is quite plain. It's not that like colorful eyeshadow palette. I know their palette usually a dupe or someone inspired them, stuff like that. But I don't know which other palette that this remind me of. Try to think. I'm not sure, guys. I am not sure. By the way, oh, this one is quite chunky. It's a bit falling out, going on there. So these are the shimmers I have swatched so far. By the way, this palette, it was £10, £9.99, stuff like that. So you have 21 shades in total. They have names. What the hell? What was that? Ah! Guys, as soon as I turned the palette, look at what just happened. In total, they have names. They have names. Jesus Christ! I am shocked. Guys, look. I can't make this up. I cannot. What? I just flipped the palette around and the something just went plof on the floor. They are on the floor right now. Like, seriously, Ucanbe? Wow. Right. You know what, guys? Based on this disappointment, I'm just gonna go straight in with my pillows or Crease canvas. Jeez, it's a devil palette. Fuck me. Alright, so I'm just gonna quickly apply a bit of pillows. Right, now that we are in this stage, I just need to lay this down. Take this brush here. I'm gonna go in with this shade, the shade called Evil. Just gonna apply Evil here. No, I'm gonna use something similar. I will go in with Invisible, so I will use kind of apply Invisible all over. So I'm just gonna go back in with Evil. Just gonna apply it here. I'm gonna just apply this green one here, this shade here. I'm just gonna apply this shade. It's called ESP. So ESP, which is a green, dirty green shade. I'm just gonna apply this here. Okay, now that I've done that, I'll go back in with Invisible because I still want this to be low-key showing. Just don't want it to be disappeared. I'm gonna change my brush. I'm just gonna go in with Black Magic, which is this shade here. I'm just gonna apply this. This is really nice, I must say. So I'm gonna use my finger. It's not even coming out that much. I'm gonna use my finger to dab it more. because you know what? We want more. I feel like I want to apply a bit more, something else. Don't know if this will make any difference, which is a charm. Truly beautiful. The shimmers are beautiful. The matte are very high pigmented. Check me out. Right, so now that we've done that, it looks like it's about time we sweep this area. Then go back in with that greenish color, that dirty green color. Okay, now then I'll go back in with Evil. You remember after the Evil we went in with Invisible, so I will just apply Invisible here to kind of diffuse this area so we can have a definition of what we're trying to achieve. Yeah, that's it. I'm done with this session, so let's see the damage I've done. Ew! While I went to fix that area I damaged before, you know, I just thought I would apply my eyeliner. I use a black eyeliner a lot. I just use a Primark eyeliner, jet black. Alright, so now for my bottom lash, I am leaning towards this shade I mentioned. This shade is truly cute. It's those shade that is changing once it gets to your skin. Show something else. See that? This shade might do well on your lid than your bottom lash. What we're going to do is, I'm just going to take this brush here. I'm going to apply ESP, which is this shade, ESP, on my bottom lash. Let's just see how it goes. I think the good palette will work well, like with the season, Halloween season. I'm tempted. No, I don't know. I just want to apply this shade somewhere, which is a Dimension. I want to apply Dimension on my bottom lash. Let's see how it goes. The problem with applying shimmer on your bottom lash is kind of, sometimes it's just pointless, or sometimes it's all right. Nice. Let's explore. This will work well on my inner corner, which is called Cloud Kill. See that? I'll apply this on my inner corner. Okay. For my highlighter, I can use this shade here for my highlighter. Oh, check you out. And the shade called Incantation. Then you have this other shade here, quite similar to Incantation, which is called Lighting Bolt. See this, Lighting Bolt. These two is quite similar. I might mix them together. So let's try this one first. So yeah, like I was saying, I don't know where we were up to on the other side, and yeah, we are still on the lashes. So this one is on now. All right, it's time to do the other eye. Again, the same thing. You're just gonna do, look down, you just place it right here, pick this up, there you go. So at this point you just use your hand to press your first lashes and your actual lashes all together like a married couple. So yeah, that's that done. At this point I will just apply a bit of mascara, which is no big deal, on my bottom lash. This is not optional. These lashes I have on, I don't need it. Like truly, I don't need to even apply like a little bit there. At this point, this is what you need to do, but depends on the lashes. Okay, if you have a lashes that is super light, so you will do this. But if your lashes is quite long, like what I have on right now, you don't really need it. It's just unnecessary. So yeah, this is how you apply lashes, and this is how I apply my own lashes. Okay guys, and if you fancy these lashes, you want to go and get it, you can get it from our website. Right, Let's talk about this palette, guys. This palette is absolutely gorgeous. Blend out nicely. When it comes to the shade, the shimmers and the metallic and the matte, guys, there are some shade here that will transform, you know, like it will change from one color to the other. I truly like this palette. You guys know by now when eyeshadow palette is high pigmented, I am in love because I don't have to work hard. You know what I mean? No one want to do that. But because it's a devil palette, you remember, as soon as I started, as soon as I opened it, this shade, it just went pluff. They're still on my floor as we speak. So most of the shades, most of the shimmers, they are really absolutely gorgeous. It's a gorgeous palette, guys. If you remember, when I was using this palette, I did use this one as my blush. It's still there, you see. It's nearly just gonna kick, you know, my regular blush. There is no one shade I can say, oh, this is not showing well, or this other one. No. Will I recommend this eyeshadow palette? I will definitely recommend this eyeshadow palette because it's effortless when you're working with this eyeshadow palette, guys. It's available on Amazon now. When I got mine, it wasn't on Prime. It might be on Prime, maybe a week from now or something. For my lashes, I use a MIT Lash by Julia. For my lipstick, I use this new Revolution lipstick. This shade is called Shea Butter. This is the new one from Revolution. It's truly good. The moisture, the butter is still there in your lip. Like this will keep your lip moist for the whole day. All right, guys, so yeah, there is nothing bad I can say about this eyeshadow palette, guys. It's called Magic Spare by Ucanbe. So yeah, that's it for today, guys, and we are done for now. I shall see you on my very next video, guys. All right, thank you so much for hanging out today, and thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you on my very next video. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. It's at Makeup with Time with Julia. And yeah, that's it for now, guys. I shall see you on my very next video. Good night and God bless. Bye bye.